Want to save on fees and overdrafts without changing accounts? TD has a hidden online banking tool that automatically moves money to prevent fees. It's called Auto Balance, and it tops up your checking from savings when balances run low. Here's how to find it. Log in to TD Online Banking and open Settings, then Account Tools. Select Auto Balance. Choose your source account and set a minimum checking balance. Set transfer rules. Choose the amount to move and how often, then click Save. Before, small overdrafts could cost you $15 each, adding up fast. After, Auto Balance prevented 3 overdrafts last month, saving $45. Monthly Impact example shows average savings of $30 a month. That's $360 a year. You can customize alerts and transfer limits to keep control and avoid surprises. It's secure, reversible, and can start working in minutes. Enable Auto Balance in TD Online Banking today and start saving. Try it now.